Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Innovational Blends. If you want to make your design look more attractive, you can add shadows to it in Illustrator. This gives your design some depth. Right now in this mandala art design, I am adding shadows. To do this, I select the design where I want to add shadow, clicked on Effect and then Stylize and choose Drop Shadow. Now I have these options for the shadow. You can pick the shadow color and adjust its opacity as well, and even decide where you want it on the X and the Y axis depending on which side you want the shadow. One thing to note that using the drop shadow option can slow down your system a bit. Lastly, there's a blur option too. So as you can see, adding a drop shadow to your design is very simple. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.